Bonjour mes amis. Today's video is going to be a review of a palette. I haven't purchased a palette in a really long time, so I'm super excited to give this one a try. It is the Belonging palette by Ucanbe. I purchased this one on Amazon. I'm sorry I can't recall how much it is, but if I purchased it, it's affordable. Now I was looking for a palette that was more mature and not like mature, but like a more mature palette, not one that has too bright funky colors, but one that was very office friendly, very mature professional woman type of palette. So I feel like this one definitely caught my eye, and it's beautiful. Like the packaging is beautiful. It's a good size, fits in your hand nicely. I'm gonna swatch some of them, and then later on in the video you can see that I created this look with this palette. Let's get into it. I really like the size of this palette. When you open it up, it does come with a mirror, which is really cool, and it's not like a clowny mirror. So this is it. Look at those colors. They're very I found it was very romantic. Not quite fall, not quite summer, but just like perfect in between. I really like the color board scheme here. I love when the palettes are named because I always wonder, like, why do they come up with these names with certain shades? I'm not gonna swatch every single color. I'm just gonna swatch the colors that caught my eye, which is probably gonna be all the shimmers, to be honest. Hell Ride. Wild Heart. Oh, it kind of sounds like a Care Bear. Wild Heart. This is Hell Ride. And this is Wild Heart. Ooh, those are so pretty. The pigmentation is there. I think it's just my swatching. But that's a very interesting shimmery green. Beautiful blue here. See this one? That's so pretty. You see, it's all the shimmers. I'm so sorry, but like, I'm living for shimmers. It does have a black, which is great. It is a shimmered black. It's called Jet. Duh. Do you see that? It's like more of a dark gray. It's not, I would not say that's jet black. Definitely not. Feeling that right there. So let's get into how I created this look with this palette. Get some inspiration from the cover here. Maybe do like a sunset sort of look. Oh wow, so far very easy to go on. I didn't have to use a lot for that effect to just happen. The next color I'm gonna use is Hell Ride. I want it to be a little bit glimmery. I'm gonna use Accelerate. So pretty. The way those are blending. I'm gonna pop on my lashes. Lashes are on and lashing. I added a little bit of rouge to my cheeks and just a bit of highlighter on the bridge of my nose while you were gone. Number 3, this one up here, and number 11. I'm feeling glossy and saucy today, so I'm gonna add a little bit of gloss to my lip. Voici la look fini. Final notes about this palette. It's definitely a solid 8 out of 10. I would give it. For its price, it's worth checking out. When I was wearing, I don't know if it's the color itself or if it's the formula, but I noticed Baja, the orange that I was wearing here, it fades a bit. It doesn't last for a very long time. I found myself having to reapply, and it's aesthetically appealing, to me at least. All right, thanks for watching, and I'll see you when I see you. Bye.